To change your code, enter *5 and your current 4-digit code to enter programming. Our code is 1234. You can see the symbol to indicate programming flashing on the LCD. If your keypad displays words rather than symbols, it will say program. Enter 40 and your new 4-digit code. We will use 1212. The panel will beep 3 times to confirm the new code was accepted. Press pound twice to exit programming. Now if we try the old one, it doesn't work. If we try the new code, panel begins to arm, and we can also use it to disarm. To add additional codes, enter *5 and your current 4-digit code. Ours is 1212. Again, you will see either a program symbol or the word program. Enter a user number from 01 through 39. User numbers will be entered as 2 digits. We will use 01. Enter the desired code. We will use 5678. The panel will beep 3 times to confirm the code was accepted. Press pound twice to exit programming. Now if we try original code 1212, the panel begins to arm. And if we use our new code 5678, the panel disarms.